my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. God bless you and you are welcome. Okay, so today I'm just showing you how it went down here at the Thompsons yesterday. We had peas and rice with coconut milk, fried chicken steaks, fried fish, boiled cabbage with a hint of carrots, and to top it off, a pineapple tart. All of this was prepared yesterday and I thought I'd share it with you. Look at it. Oh my word. God bless you. I'd like to say thank you to my subscribers right here. God bless you. I appreciate you. If you're still watching and you haven't subscribed this yet, please subscribe. Subscription is free. And be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you'll be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you. If you have watched this video all the way to the end and have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. God bless you. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.